Hi everyone, so we're going to be looking at 16-3 in the booklet, and this is a little bit different. So before, what we were doing, we had the array already had some information inside it before in other problems, but now we're creating an empty array and then we will add to it. And I'll show you that process of how to create that empty array. So essentially, what you need to do to create an empty array is first initialize it, and it says create an empty array called school programs, then provide the elements needed inside the array in this specific order. So 1, 2, 3 things. So what we want to do first is create an empty array called school programs. So we could do var, and make sure you use camel case, school programs is equal to an empty array. An empty array is basically just those brackets, just those square brackets opening and closing, and then semicolon at the end. Now we want to add elements in the array in the specific order. So however you add things, you could specify we will be specifying by numbers, and we want to order it specifically as it's saying. So when it says the first one should be computer science, remember in arrays that the initial position is always 0, then it's 1, then it's 2. So let's do this. It'll say school programs. We'll say the initial position, which is 0, is equal to, computer science is in quotes because it's a string. It's something that we type out in letters. So computer science. Then we just do semicolon because that's the end of this. And then we just do school programs, number 1, because that is the next position. And we will put that to business, semicolon. Then we'll have to do school programs and the value of 2 because that is the next position. And we'll assign that to art and then semicolon. And now we can save that. And what we want to do is console log out the school programs. And once you save it, we should get all of the information in the array. As you can see right here, it's showing as an array. You see computer science first, then business, then art. This is because the initial spot is 0 and it puts computer science there. Then number 1, which is business, number 2, then is art. So this is a way of just adding information into an array which is empty. When it's just the brackets like this, it means the array is now empty, and we would just want to add some information inside of it, and we can just console log out information. And the same goes as if we want to take out some information, we can do school programs dot, and then we can do, the square brackets again, and we will just do 1 to take out the word business from here. And right over here, we'll just run node again. And as you can see, we get the word business that is extracted from the array.